Hey everybody, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did say that I would have another haul from Trinity. That's just simply because I'm just really like a lot of their things. So I had made an order and I had that haul. That video is posted earlier. I'll have it linked down below if it's something that you missed but you'd like to see it, so I'll have that linked. But here is haul number 2, and it's nothing like major, but it's, you know, super fun. All right, so you always get, or at least it seems like, maybe it's because I order so much, I don't know. You get a little thank you. Came with some tea. Is it ashi berry? Anyway, it's a good berry. And then you get this little Trinity thank you. The little stroopwafel is delicious. And then she sometimes throws in like a little bag of goodies here, and this is what I got. So this bag of embellishments, and I'm pretty sure the ones that she throws together are like a combination of different ones you can get in the store. Like this one has little blue stars and some pink ones. It has this giant bow in there, and you've got like regular sequins and little hearts and little squares, and yeah, so that's just fun. So then you got this little new bag of embellishments. So that's that. I got several of the new stamps and dies. I went ahead and got the stamp and die combos. I got this one. I thought this was so cute because, well, you know, it's a cat. And it's called Purrachute. And he's so cute. So it says, "Oh shoot, I'm sorry, and just dropping in to say hi." And I just thought he was adorable. So the matching die is great because it also cuts out the little areas underneath the parachute. And then you've got the words. I think that's really cool that all the words are cut out. So that is cool. So I had to get that one. And then I got this one, permission, or no, this one's called It's Okay. So here's your permission slip. It's okay not to be okay. And I thought that was really good. And then the matching die just has like, it looks like it's almost like a little outline of the pin, and then the outline of the little permission slip. And I love these. I love this style. I think it's really cool that the store has so many of the neat, like bold graphic sentiments that you can color, and, you know, makes it look like you really spent a lot of time on a card, but you didn't necessarily, because it's all right there. So there's that one. And then another one along that line. This one's called Paper Pep Talk. And yeah, as soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have it. So here's a little Paper Pep Talk. Has a little heart, and then this little cute retro like star or whatever. And I love that. And the matching die is great because it has the speech bubble, so you could just have the speech bubble cut out, but it also has the words that you could have cut out as well. And then it has the star and the heart. So I'm going to try to make a couple cards with this one because I'm just intrigued by the die cut that cuts out the words as well. I think that's pretty cool. So we've got that one. And then as far as stamps and dies go, this is the last one. This is not new. This is older. This one's called the Wonky Stitched Wilderness. I just saw a lot of possibility for this one, and I love this outline die. I think that's fabulous. And then these are all, like, they won't cut out clouds, but they will put a stitched cloud line on there, as well as the star, and there's another cloud. Here we have a star. Just lots of different kinds of stars. And like almost, you could probably do that like a sun or fireworks or something like that. I think that would be really cool for a sky. And then we have 3 different kinds of trees. Then we have like a mountain range, and then another mountain, and then it has all the little tops for those. So this will cut all these out. And these will cut out basically open-ended, so it's not just going to cut out like a mountain. It ends there, so your mountain can go as long as you need it to go, which is pretty cool. But I do think that's neat. That's interesting. And you could, you know, obviously use any of these on a regular size card as well, you know, A2 sized. But I just think that's so cool that it just basically, I mean, cuts a stitching of a cloud in your background. So there's that. And that'll do it for stamps and dies, but I did get a bunch of embellishments. I'm just loving that the embellishments are coming in their own little case. And I got quite a few. So let's pull those out. And it's funny because there's like little Pokeballs all over. Okay, so speaking of the Pokeballs, I had to get those. My son and daughter actually played Pokemon for like the longest time. My son still plays it even though he's an adult, you know, nothing wrong with that. And I will admit that I do dabble in Pokemon Go. But this is called I Choose You, and I just think that's super fun. I could make fun little shakers for him. I love my big kid son. So there's that one. Then I got this one because I was starting to prepare. You could use this for dogs or for Halloween. This one's called Bunch O' Bones. It's a confetti mix, and I'll show you, because I don't know if you can see them very well in the container, but they're little bones. I just thought that was fabulous. Like I said, those would be great for like dog cards or Halloween. Starting to try to get ready for that as well. This one is called Goldrush. And so it's just flat-backed, you know, no-hold sequins, basically. And these ones are gold. This one is called Rainbow Reflection. And these are rhinestones. And then all different sizes of rhinestone, and it's supposed to reflect the rainbow pretty good. I don't know if you can see those, but super pretty. Yep. And if you haven't checked out the embellishments from Trinity Stamps, you really should go and check those out because they have so many. There are just so many. Every time I go through there, I find different ones that I want to get. This one is called Twilight Sky. So it's all basically blues and like periwinkle flatback sequins, which I thought was just so pretty. And then this one, this final one, is called Royal Velvet. So it's just all purples, flatback purples. I'm trying to like fill out a collection of the different colors because I don't have them all. But yeah, that's it today, kids. It's not a ton of things, but it's plenty to get me going for even more. And yeah, so I'll have everything that I got linked down below. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you want, leave a comment in the comment section about what you would like to see me use first. I'm going to go ahead as soon as I'm done with this, maybe get started on a card, but I would love to know what you would like to see. All right, thanks everybody. I will see you very soon in another video. Bye!